Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to make your account private on TikTok. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your any TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. A menu will pop up from the bottom. Select Settings and Privacy. Under Account section, go to Privacy. Here you will find Private Account. Simply tap the slider to enable this. If your authorization is turned on, you need to turn it off. Tap on, turn off and continue. From now on, only people you approve can follow you, view your videos, bio, likes as well as your following and followers lists. So in this way, you can make your account private on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.